Goodbye tingling hands and weak legs. 8 collagen-rich snacks you must eat. If your hands are always tingling, your legs feel like jelly, or your joints just don't move like they used to, there's a good chance your body's missing something important. And no, it's not some expensive pill or fancy treatment. It's something as simple as what you're eating. Most people hear the word collagen and think it's only for smoother skin or beauty creams. But if you're over 60, collagen becomes a lot more serious. It's the glue that holds your joints together, helps your nerves work properly, and keeps your body moving without pain. I am Dr. Alan Mandell, and after 35 years treating thousands of seniors, I've seen patients throw away their canes and regain feeling in their fingers simply by adding the right collagen-rich foods. In today's video, I want to show you 8 collagen-rich snacks that can actually help ease that tingling in your hands, bring strength back to your legs, and make you feel more like yourself again. They're tasty, easy to make, and most importantly, they're backed by science to support your joints, nerves, and energy as you age. Before we dive into the countdown, I want to hear from you. Drop your age in the comments right now and tell me, what kind of snacks have you been eating and how old are you? I personally read every single comment because your stories fuel this channel and help me create videos that truly matter. Number 1, dark chocolate midnight clusters. Let's talk about something that almost feels too good to be true. Chocolate, but not just any chocolate. We're talking about real dark chocolate, the kind that's packed with powerful plant compounds that can actually help your body heal from the inside out. According to world-renowned doctors and researchers who spent decades studying how food can repair the body. Dark chocolate with at least 80% cacao is one of his go-to choices when it comes to boosting collagen and supporting the body's natural repair systems. What makes it so special? Well, dark chocolate is loaded with flavonols and proanthocyanidins. Fancy words, I know, but what they really do is simple and powerful. They help your body create new stem cells, lower inflammation, and even protect your DNA from damage. That means better skin, stronger joints, and a better shot at staying mobile and independent as you age. But here's the important part. Not all chocolate is created equal. The sugary candy bars at the checkout counter won't do a thing for your health. You want the darkest kind you can find. 70 to 85% cacao or more with as little sugar as possible. Try to find one that's labeled single origin if you can, because it tends to be pure and higher in the good stuff your body actually needs. And once you've got the right kind, turning it into a collagen-boosting snack is easier than you think. Just melt about 1 ounce of the dark chocolate gently, then stir in a handful of roasted almonds and a teaspoon of dried goji berries. Pour the mix into small spoonfuls on a plate or use little molds if you have them. Then let it chill until firm. What you get is a chewy, rich bite that does way more than just taste good. The dark chocolate gives you antioxidants to fight damage and boost your repair systems. The almonds bring amino acids that help your body build more collagen. And the goji berries add a touch of sweetness along with vitamin C, which helps your body use all those ingredients effectively. It's a snack that feels indulgent, but is actually doing real work behind the scenes, quietly helping you reduce pain, protect your joints, and feel just a little more like yourself again. And that's something worth reaching for every single day. Number 2, gelatin fruit nibbles. If you've never given much thought to gelatin beyond wobbly desserts, it's time to see it in a whole new light, because this simple ingredient can do wonders for your joints, skin, and nerves, especially as you get older. Gelatin is basically collagen that's already been broken down into a form your body can absorb and use right away. It's full of key amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. Those are the exact nutrients your body uses to build new collagen and repair tissue, and the science backs it up. In one study, people who took gelatin before exercising experienced 37% less joint pain over time. That's not just a small change, that's the kind of improvement that can make walking, moving, and even standing up feel easier and less painful. What makes gelatin even better is how easy it is to turn it into a tasty, healing snack. You don't need anything fancy. Just start with 1 cup of unsweetened fruit juice, like cherry or pomegranate. Both are rich in antioxidants. Warm it gently on the stove. Don't boil it, just get it nice and steamy. Then stir in 2 tablespoons of unflavored powdered gelatin until it dissolves completely. At this point, you can mix in some chopped nuts for healthy fats and fresh berries for an extra burst of vitamin C, which helps your body actually use the collagen it's getting. Pour the mix into small molds or a dish and let it chill in the fridge until it firms up. What you end up with is a soft, easy to chew, and surprisingly powerful snack that your body will love. It's gentle on the stomach, so it's perfect even if you don't always feel like eating heavy food. But inside, it's working hard, supporting your joints, helping with mobility, and giving your skin and tissues the building blocks they need to stay strong and flexible. For anyone over 60 dealing with stiff knees, sore hips, or just that nagging weakness that creeps in, this little gelatin treat can be a game changer. And more than that, it's something you made yourself with care, with purpose, and with real benefits you can feel every single day. Number 3, chicken bone broth bites. Chicken bone broth might sound like just another soup, but the truth is it's one of the most powerful natural remedies you can give your body. Especially if you're over 60 and dealing with stiff joints, tingling hands, or legs that just don't feel as strong as they used to. This warm, soothing broth is packed with collagen and the amino acids glycine and proline, which play a major role in rebuilding connective tissues, repairing cartilage, and even helping damaged nerves heal. When you slowly simmer chicken bones for several hours, the collagen breaks down and turns into a form your body can absorb easily. This isn't just about comfort food, it's about giving your body exactly what it needs to bounce back. And the beauty of bone broth is that it's so easy to make into a daily snack. You don't need to buy anything fancy. Just take leftover chicken bones, like from a roasted chicken or some wings, and simmer them in a big pot of water with a splash of vinegar and some chopped veggies like onion, celery, and carrot. Let it cook low and slow for about 8 hours. Once it's done, strain the broth and pour it into jars or bowls. As it cools, it'll turn into a soft gel. That's a good sign. That's your homemade collagen boost ready to go. You can scoop out a portion, warm it gently, and add a little lemon juice and fresh parsley for extra flavor and nutrients. Even just half a cup a day can help your joints feel smoother, reduce that creaky, cracking feeling, and make movement easier and less painful. And if you're struggling with weak legs or pins and needles in your hands, this broth gives your body the support it needs to start repairing the tissues that control movement and sensation. It's gentle, it's nourishing, and it's made from something you already have in your kitchen. But more importantly, it's a daily act of self-care, one small bowl at a time, that helps your body feel more alive, more mobile, and more like itself. Again, 4 cantaloupe mint bites. When it comes to collagen, most people don't realize how important vitamin C really is. Without enough of it, your body simply can't make collagen. That's why adding something as simple as cantaloupe to your day can make a big difference, especially if you're over 60 and struggling with stiff joints or weak legs. Number 4, cantaloupe isn't just a refreshing fruit you enjoy in the summer. It's actually packed with vitamin C, and just 1 cup gives you about 2/3 of what your body needs in a day. That 1 little cup is helping kickstart your body's collagen-making process, which can ease that tight, achy feeling in your knees, hips, or even fingers. But the real beauty of this snack is how easy and enjoyable it is to prepare. You start with sweet, juicy cantaloupe. Cut it into small cubes so it's easy to chew, especially if your teeth or gums are a little sensitive. Then you squeeze in a little fresh lime juice for an extra punch of flavor and a boost of antioxidant. Toss in a few fresh mint leaves to cool and calm the body, and top it off with chopped pistachios. These little nuts bring healthy fats, fiber, and even some protein to the mix, which all help with reducing inflammation and keeping your joints lubricated. The result is a bright, fresh, and tasty snack that doesn't just feel good, it actually helps your body repair itself. It hydrates you, supports your immune system, and gives your body the spark it needs to build new collagen. That means less stiffness, more flexibility, and better comfort when you move. And for anyone who feels like they've lost some of that energy or ease in their step, a simple bowl of cantaloupe with mint and lime could be a sweet first step in the right direction. Sometimes the smallest changes, like adding a piece of fruit to your day, can be the ones that gently nudge your body back toward feeling stronger, lighter, and more alive. Number 5. Tomato caprese salad snack. Sometimes the most powerful foods are the ones that seem the simplest. Take the tomato, for example. It's something most of us have in the kitchen. But what many people don't realize is that tomatoes are loaded with collagen-friendly nutrients, especially vitamin C, and a powerful antioxidant called lycopene. Vitamin C is key because your body absolutely needs it to build new collagen. Lycopene, on the other hand, helps protect the collagen you already have. That means stronger joints, firmer skin, and less inflammation over time. And here's something interesting. Cooked or slightly warmed tomatoes actually increase the amount of lycopene your body can absorb. That's why a fresh tomato snack, especially when paired with healthy fats, becomes a little collagen-supporting powerhouse. One of the easiest and most enjoyable ways to do that is with a caprese-style tomato salad. It's light, refreshing, and incredibly good for your joints, your nerves, and your overall comfort, especially if you've been noticing stiffness or tingling in your hands or legs. All you have to do is slice up a ripe, juicy tomato and layer it with something soft and nourishing like fresh mozzarella or even a few cubes of avocado if you want a dairy-free option. Then drizzle a little extra virgin olive oil over the top. This oil helps your body absorb all those antioxidants more efficiently. Add a few fresh basil leaves to boost flavor and digestion, and let it rest for a few minutes to let everything blend together. What you're left with is a snack that feels like something you'd get in a nice cafe, but it's doing real work inside your body. It's hydrating, it's rich in anti-inflammatory compounds, and it delivers exactly what your tissues need to start rebuilding over time. A simple snack like this, when eaten regularly, can help your joints feel less sore, your skin feel more elastic, and your body feel more supported overall. It's a small act of care you can give yourself, and sometimes that's all it takes to start moving in the right direction again. Number 6. Guava Power Yogurt Bowl. Guava might not be the first fruit that comes to mind when you think about boosting your collagen, but it absolutely should be, especially if you're over 60 and dealing with things like weak legs, tingling hands, or stiff joints. Guava is one of the richest sources of vitamin C out there. In fact, just 100 grams of guava gives you more than 200 milligrams of vitamin C, which is several times more than what you'd get from an orange. And that's a big deal because vitamin C isn't just helpful, it's essential. Your body can't even make collagen without it. So if you're not getting enough, your skin, joints, and nerves might be feeling the consequences. That dull ache in your knees, that loss of strength in your legs, or even the tingling in your fingers could all be signs your body's crying out for more support. That's where guava steps in. And when you pair it with protein-rich foods like Greek yogurt, you're not only feeding your body what it needs to produce collagen, you're giving it the fuel to recover, rebuild, and feel stronger again. A guava yogurt bowl is incredibly easy to make, but it delivers so much healing power in just a few bites. Just chop up some fresh ripe guava and stir it into a bowl of plain Greek yogurt. Add a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness, a squeeze of fresh lime juice for extra vitamin C, and a little zing. And top it all with chopped almonds or walnuts to give your body even more minerals and healthy fats. This bowl isn't just refreshing, it's loaded with antioxidants, amino acids, and collagen-boosting nutrients that help your body fight inflammation, repair tissue, and stay flexible. And the best part, it tastes amazing and is gentle on your digestion too. It's the kind of snack that makes you feel cared for, like you're doing something good for yourself, not just in the moment, but for the long run. Every spoonful is a reminder that healing doesn't have to be complicated. It just has to be consistent, and it can start with something as simple as guava and yogurt. Number 7, Kiwi Crunch Snack. Just eating 2 or 3 kiwis a day can flood your body with this essential vitamin, which plays a huge role in helping your body produce collagen. Collagen is what keeps your skin firm and your joints strong, but it also supports the health of your nerves. This means that boosting collagen through vitamin C-rich foods like kiwi can help ease that annoying tingling in your hands and the weakness you might feel in your legs as you get older. Preparing this snack is quick and simple. Just slice up a fresh kiwi and sprinkle some toasted almonds or walnuts on top. These nuts add a nice crunch and healthy fats that your body needs to repair and maintain tissues. For an extra kick, try adding a pinch of chili flakes or sea salt. This not only makes the snack tastier, but can also improve circulation and nerve health. What's great about this snack is that it does more than just boost collagen. It also supports digestion, strengthens your immune system, and helps your nerves function better. These benefits are especially important for seniors because as we age, our bodies need all the help they can get to stay strong and feel good. So, making Kiwi Crunch a daily habit is an easy and delicious way to fight those symptoms that slow you down and keep you from enjoying life fully. Number 8. Pineapple Nut Bites. What makes pineapple stand out is an enzyme called bromelain. This enzyme isn't just some fancy word, it actually works deep inside your body to reduce inflammation, which is a major cause of pain and stiffness in joints and nerves as we age. When you combine pineapple's bromelain with its natural vitamin C, you get a powerful 1-2 punch that helps your body repair itself more quickly and effectively. This combo supports not only your joints, but also your nerves, helping to ease discomfort and get you moving more freely again. One of the best things about this snack is how simple and delicious it is. Just cut up some fresh pineapple chunks and mix them with crunchy macadamia nuts or cashews. These nuts add healthy fats and protein that your body uses to rebuild tissues and keep your energy up. If you want to take it a step further, sprinkle a little cinnamon and fresh mint on top. Not only does this taste amazing, but cinnamon is known to help balance blood sugar and reduce inflammation, while mint can soothe your digestive system. Eating these pineapple nut bites regularly can make a noticeable difference in how your body feels each day. It's easy to enjoy and it gives your body exactly what it needs to heal with less stiffness, more energy, and a stronger, healthier feeling all around. This snack isn't just tasty, it's a step toward feeling better, moving better, and living better after 60. We just went through 8 powerful snacks that can help your body rebuild collagen naturally. Dark chocolate clusters, gelatin fruit nibbles, bone broth bites, cantaloupe mint cubes, tomato mozzarella stacks, guava yogurt bowls, kiwi crunch bites, and pineapple nut chunks. Each one is packed with the nutrients your body really needs, especially if you're over 60 and want to feel strong again. Move with ease and say goodbye to that nagging, tingling, and weakness. Adding even just one of these snacks to your daily routine can give your body the boost it needs to start repairing itself and thriving. If you want to keep learning simple, natural ways to feel better every day, if this message touched you, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest breakthroughs for senior health. And before you go, tell me in the comments, which of these 8 snacks are you most excited to try first, and what changes have you already noticed in your energy or mobility? I read every comment, and your success stories inspire all of us. This is Dr. Alan Mandell wishing you strength, steadiness, and many more vibrant years ahead. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.